Okay, sorry. So due to some technical difficulty, so I had to create another video. So this is part 2 of AP or IB. Okay, so I was talking about IB scores. IB score is highest 7, 2 through 7. So the Ontario province, they have that chart there. Italy, if you get a 7 is 97 to 100, 6 93 to 96, and 5 is 84 to 92, and also this varies by year. So the one I have is back in 2015. Maybe they have a different, but always getting better. 4 means 70 to 83, 3 is 61 to 71, 2 is 50 to 60. Okay, so like I said earlier, and total score is 7 times 6 7 times but 6 subject, that is 42. So out of 42, okay, let me see, I have this chart here, I have to look at that. So then they have something that give you that, I think the project or something give you about 3 points. So 42 plus 3, that is 4, that mid I forgot the name of that project, something. So that's going to be what, 45. The total is 45 from the subject points. So they call subject point. Subject point is, there are 6 subject, 7 point each. Okay, so the maximum the student can get 42. All right, so I already mentioned about the chart, Ontario percentage chart. All right, so let's go and look at a scenario. Let's say student got 3 subject level 6 and 3 subject level 7. This is pretty good kid, did very good, level 7 3 subject and 3 subject level 6, pretty much, so his average would be like what you do, take the chart, and you have what, 3 times 93. Okay, first of all you want to know what is subject point. Subject point is 3 times 6, that is what, 18 plus 3 times 7, 21. So the total is 39 subject point. So if you go and look at his so we need to convert that one to Ontario provincial, the score for the university. So that is going to be like, I gave you the chart. 6 mean 93, so 3 times 93% plus 3 times 97 for the, that's 7, so 3 7s and 3 6. So that give the whole thing, you had to divide, because there are 3 plus 3 6 subject, divide by 6, and you get an average of 95%. So if you want, I'll give you the number again. 3 times 93% plus 3 times 97%, the whole quantity divided by 6. So you get an average 95. That's a good score, because most of the engineering schools, they expect 87%, so this is a really good score. But remember, the kid got what, level 7 3 subject, level 6 3 subject. Is outstanding. All right, and let's look at the scenario. If your kid is getting what, 4s and 3s, the percentage is going to be somewhere around 70 something. Okay, so it's not worth it. Okay, so that's what I said. If your kid into this IB program and doing poorly in the beginning, and there's projects and all kind of stuff, that's different than the AP. I think should drop out and go back to the regular program. Okay, so that's the advice. So this IB is for well-rounded students. Okay, not for every student. So that's something you need to consider. Okay, so like another thing is, because Canada universities mostly they prefer their local, provincial scores. So if they get something like a 95 something, they have 85 95, they get a very good chance to go to those universities. All right, I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna have another one. Okay, I can make it very quick. People always, they always say good thing about IB program. That's what I can tell you. So I pretty much covered everything. So you got an idea. So you have to remember that chart. And like I said earlier, IB is not for everybody. IB is for well-rounded or all-rounder kid, that can do multiple, this extracurricular activity, projects, the subject, many things. So IB kids do really good in universities, depend what they are doing. Okay, so it's going to be engineering something, the kid is doing calculus, everything great, no problem. But if you're going to go to some area, some kind of leadership kind of thing, quality required, then then IB may be better. I don't know. You have to evaluate. You talk to other people and see what which work for you. So, and also, like I said earlier, IB. So you had to talk to the individual university and the department you plan to enroll. Talk to them. That's the only way you can figure out. So you cannot simply say all the universities are going to treat this AP IB equally. They don't. So you need to do your homework. Okay, that's all I have. I know this is going to be this video is cut like earlier. I'm going to make it like a 2-part video.